I request Chairperson Anjali Madam and Sunil Sanghvi Sir, Vice Chairperson, to escort Purushottam Bhai to the dais. I request you all to rise up for the ICI motto.
यैष सुप्तेषु जागृति यैष सुप्तेषु जागृति कामं 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 कामपुरुषो पुरुषो निर्विमानः निर्विमानः तदेव शुक्रं तदेव शुक्रब्रह्मा तद्ब्रह्मा तदेवामृतमुच्यते तस्मिन् लोकः तस्मिन् दोषः शतः सर्वे तदूना सर्वे कश्चन कश्चन एतद्वैता 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 एतद्वैता.
I request all dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, to come for join for the lighting of the lamp. I welcome you all to the National CP 2 days conference today, and followed by tomorrow. There will be another day that will be having the second day of the national conference. On the dais presented Purushottam Bhai, the Central Council member, Chairperson Anjali Madam, and Sunil Sanghvi Sir, who is the Vice Chairperson of Ahmedabad branch. I request Chairperson of Ahmedabad branch to felicitate Purushottam Bhai. Sunil Bhai, I also request you to join for the same. Now I request Chairperson Madam Anjali Choksi to just come on the podium and give her address to the audience.
A very good morning. Central Council Member Purushottam Khandelwal, Vice Chairperson Sunil Sanghvi, RCM Chintan Patel, Vikas Jain, the esteemed faculty for the first session, Advocate Mittal Sir, Managing Committee members Sunit Shah, Samir Chaudhary, Neerav Agrawal, senior members and my dear friends. Welcome to this 2 days national conference for 12 CPE hours. I say 12 CPE hours, everyone know it's December end, it's CPE Mela, but I just want to share one thing. The conference has been designed and structured in a very beautiful way. Of course, we need to complete our CPE hours, but if you look at the type of topics, the stalwarts of the profession, I still recollect the message by Mittal sir कि आज जो मैं सेशन करने वाला हूँ GST का वैसा मैंने कोई ब्रांच में नहीं किया, and madam I'm really excited. So this is the kind of excitement our speakers have. Mittal sir, Advocate Tushar Hemani, Advocate Saurabh Subhakar, who don't have a single time, so they have devoted their time today. And also we have a beautiful session of Pankaj Tibrewal. We all know that markets have fallen yesterday more than 600 points, and you all would be awaiting for the direction ahead. So the Pankaj sir will guide us how the market will go ahead. And tomorrow also we have a beautiful seminar topics lined up for you. So my humble request to all of you that please stay here and enjoy and have the great learning sessions. The theme for the conference is Unleash, Unveil and Unlimit. As you know that our profession is evolving 360 degree. It is very important that we explore new opportunities. There are so many things to do, new areas you can explore, adopting technology. So all have been considered in this 2 days conference. And I wish all of you that apart from the CPE hours, you devote your special time just like our speakers and have great insights for the new journey ahead for Chartered Accountant. And in advance, I wish you all happy 2024. Thank you.
Now I request Central Council member Purushottam Khandelwal to address the audience.
Good morning. Good morning. First, Lady Chairperson of Ahmedabad after inception, CA Dr. Anjali Choksi. Under her leadership, branch is doing a wonderful program. She is known for the innovative program. She did a lot of efforts to reach branch at the new heights. Vice Chairman of the Ahmedabad branch and next year Chairman Sunil Bhai Sanghvi, who is looking the students' activities of the branch, and I am happy to share with you that the Ahmedabad branch of ICI Vikasta is organizing international conference at Ahmedabad on 29th and 30th December. May I request all the members, those who want to send their article at the international conference, they will learn and certainly their knowledge will be helped with the practice of the members. Thank you, Sunil Bhai. Managing committee members, Sunil Bhai Shah, those are the expert in insolvency. Down the podiums, Vikas Bhai Jain, regional council member, Samir Bhai Chaudhary, managing committee member, J.K. Mittal sir, expert, known for their boldness. Those who can say anything to the government also, J.K. Mittal, the faculty, Neerav Agrawal, my dear friends, regional council member Chintan Rai Patel, and all fellow members. It gives immense pleasure to be amongst you. This is a national conference organized by the CP committee of ICI, hosted by the Ahmedabad branch. First of all, I apologize all of you for facing some problems on the lift, but this is not an issue. The branch has explored the venue, many venues, but they have tried to accommodate more members because this is the last day of the CP calendar year. So they find the venue of 1000 here in the mall. We will take care in the future. Sometimes किसी को प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है तो थोड़ा सहन करना पड़ता है, उसके लिए हम क्षमा चाहते हैं. इतना उग्र होने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि हम लोग पूरे दिन वॉलंटियर काम करते हैं. जो ब्रांच काम करती है, जो अंजलि बहन दिल्ली इंस्टीट्यूट आती है, अपने 1 घंटा देने की किसी को तैयारी नहीं. ये पूरे साल ब्रांच आती है और अगर थोड़ी सी भी प्रॉब्लम हुई तो थोड़ा अपने घर की बात है. अहमदाबाद के लोग मेजोरिटी. तो नेक्स्ट टाइम वी विल टेक केयर ऑफ, डोंट वरी. ICICI has been set up under the Act of Parliament in 1949. From since inception, the institute's grown by leaps and bounds. Currently, I am looking at RBA, Regional Brand Administration. I am happy to say that currently we are having 172 branches across the country. 49 countries where our own offices is there. 89 cities where the ICI overseas office is there. 4,80,000 members, 8,50,000 students. So this is the strength of ICI. The first meeting of ICI was held on 15th August 1949 under the leadership of then President G.P. Kapadia sir. They have invited the finance minister of that time, and the finance minister specifically told that the ICI has been set up for the advice to the government of India and create a tax structure in India. Since then, we are celebrating 75th year of inception. विश्वास के 75 साल इंस्टीट्यूट विश्वास के 75 साल मना रहा, साथ में आज़ादी के अमृत महोत्सव और 75 साल वो भी मना रहे हैं। तो इंस्टीट्यूट ने सरकार के साथ कंधे से कंधा मिला के काम किया है। मोदी जी ने राइटली सेड कि द सिग्नेचर ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स कैरी मोर पावर देन द सिग्नेचर ऑफ प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ दिस कंट्री। अभी भी कुछ समय पहले आई गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू शेयर डाइस विद फिनांस मिनिस्टर निर्मला सीतारमण जी। उनका एटीट्यूड पहले ठीक नहीं था, लेकिन इस बार हमने देखा कि वो कुछ भी हैप्पी थी और इंस्टीट्यूट जो काम कर रहा है उन्होंने अप्रिशिएट किया कि इंस्टीट्यूट की हेल्प के बगैर देश में जीएसटी लागू करना इम्पॉसिबल था। वो अपने जो वो एक अपने एक और अभियान हम चला रहे आईसीआई का अभियान, वित्तीय ज्ञान आईसीआई का अभियान। हम ट्राई करते हैं कि लास्ट मेंबर तक पता चले कि चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट क्या करता है, उसके छोटे आदमी का फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग कैसा होना चाहिए, उसकी सेविंग कैसे होनी चाहिए। तो वो हम अहमदाबाद ब्रांच भी कर रही है और इंस्टीट्यूट उसके तरह से भी हम कर रहे हैं। आईसीआई ने इस साल पूरा का पूरा जो जोर दिया वो टेक्नोलॉजी साइड पे है। हाउ टू इम्प्लीमेंट टेक्नोलॉजी इन इंस्टीट्यूट फंक्शनली। वी आर कमिंग विद ई मीटिंग पोर्टल, जो अभी भी इंस्टीट्यूट का इंटरनल कम्युनिकेशन होता है, फाइलें मूवमेंट्स होती है, प्रेसिडेंट, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफिस, सीपी सेक्रेटरीट, presidential secretary, but we are coming with the just like a government with the e-meeting approval portal, so immediately the work can be disposed of. Currently, I am looking a CP committee of ICI, and this year my committee has done a lot of work. Once that we have come with a decision that you have to complete CP in this calendar year only. So there is no meaning of 3-year rolling period because you have to complete work in this year and you will update your knowledge in the next year. So it doesn't make any sense. And after implementation by ICI, the England and Wales follow the Indian Institute of Chartered Accountants India. They are also coming with the same year. So they are also coming with the same year. They will also complete in the same calendar year. I am also coming with the CPF, where we will display the code number in the wall, just like in abroad. That you have this lot of problems seriously. You are waiting for standing in the queue for signing the document. So we display somewhere with all these systems. We will allot you the QR code. You can just QR code scan and come to the hall, and your CP will be uploaded in the real time basis. We will display here the code numbers of the program, and you have to go to the app and you have to upload. So you can find out your CP and the same day, same time, real time. And this year we have also done the mail to each and every member at the end of the month. My committee is sending mail to each and every member that this much CP you have completed, this much CP is pending. So we are awareing our members, and we are also coming with the technology. And not only coming in CP committee technology, but we are also implemented technology in the exam committee also. Because of adoption of technology in exam committee, last year I was in the member of exam committee, and I am extremely happy to share with you that for the first time in the history of ICI, we will deliver inter-final result both simultaneously because of the adoption of technology. Supreme Court, one of the matters says that if you want to learn how to conduct exam, you learn from the ICI. So this is the secrecy of ICI, best examination system in the country. Another, I am committee where I am the vice chairman of the committee for member in entrepreneurship and public service. You will be happy to know that there are more than 2,000 members, those who are in the public service. They are in the IAS, IPS, foreign service, ED, CBI, forensic, everywhere is the chartered accountant is there. Ministry. So we are organizing a number of programs for that members that we can, how can we can hand holding exercise with the institute and the member on the other side of the table. Piyush Goyal ji is a member of parliament. Kirit Somaiya is there. Suresh Prabhuji is there. Naveen Andy Gupta sir is in the Rajya Sabha. They are always helping to the institute. This year, before few days in the GLOPAC, we have organized at the Gandhinagar, where the more than 4,000 members were the participants, and the Jagdeep Dharkar ji are the उपराष्ट्रपति भारत के थे, जो उन्होंने वहाँ पे आने का मौका उनको था। उनके हाथों से हमने एक नया लोगो लॉन्च किया है, ICI का ट्राइएंगल लोगो, और नीचे लिखा है ICI इंडिया। हम देखते थे कि CP ऑस्ट्रेलिया, CP USA, बट ICI सिंपल था तो लोगों के साथ ICI को एसोसिएशन है। सो नाउ वी आर कमिंग विद अ न्यू ब्रांडिंग दैट इज ICI इंडिया। So that we have done a lot of program, and last year we got an opportunity to host the IFAC event at Reliance Jio Center Mumbai, where there were 10,000 delegates, and out of 10,000 delegates, 8,000 were physically present. और वो स्टैंड देखने के बाद we were able to showcase to world that ICI is the best in the world. We are trying to make some mutual recognized agreements with many of the countries, Singapore, Hong Kong, Canada. But they are not in favor of any agreements with India. But when the Singapore presidents come to the ICI and down the step they are talking with the Devashish Mitra ji, और देवाशीष जी को बोला कि ये आपकी बिल्डिंग है, तो देवाशीष जी ने बोला कि ऐसी तो हमारे पास 100 बिल्डिंग है। After seeing the strength of ICI, when the Aniket Bhai became a president on the 12th of February, one letter sent by Singapore Institute that those members who are in the Singapore since last 6 months, they will be automatically member of Singapore Institute. तो इतना स्ट्रेंथ ICI का देखेंगे और बोलते हैं जो लोग देते थे ना जवाब उनके सलाम आने लगे, वक्त बदल गया तो उनके पेट पर आम आने लगे। तो इंस्टीट्यूट की इतनी स्ट्रेंथ है। Again, before 10 days, I got an opportunity to visit Gorakhpur, where the Yogi Adityanath was the chief guest of the program, and they said कि चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट वो लोग हैं जो खुद का तेल गिरा के देश का खजाना भरते हैं। तो मतलब उनके दिमाग में इंस्टीट्यूट की इतनी अच्छी इमेज है। इस बार राष्ट्रपति 1 जुलाई को आए, उपराष्ट्रपति जी ग्लोपैक में आए, मोदी जी ने प्रेसिडेंट को 2 बार बुलाया डिस्कस करने के लिए, फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर हमारे प्रोग्राम में आए, योगी जी आए। तो इंस्टीट्यूट का ब्रांडिंग हो रहा है। हम लोग चाहते हैं कि सरकार के साथ मिलकर काम करें, क्योंकि हम सरकार के अगेंस्ट चल नहीं सकते, बिकॉज वी आर वर्किंग अंडर द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट अफेयर्स। इंस्टीट्यूट का है कि हम हैंड होल्डिंग करके देश के लिए अच्छा कैसा कर सकते हैं। इस तरीके से रोज बोलते हैं कि आई एम द आई इन द ICI स्टार्ट विद आई एंड विद द ICI। आप इंस्टीट्यूट भी आप और इंडिया भी आप। उन्होंने मैसेज भेजा है, वो आने वाले थे अभी, लेकिन कुछ रात को लेट होने की वजह से सब उनका स्वास्थ्य ठीक नहीं आए। उनकी तरफ से खूब खूब शुभकामना आपको। मैं शुभकामना ब्रांच को भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से मंडल को अगेन सॉरी फॉर इफ एनी अनकन्वीनियंस फॉर दिस। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, CCM sir, for your words of wisdom and also giving insights to all the members and for the initiative that ICI and particularly the CP committee is taking for the members of the institute. Also, friends and members, we are organizing on 25th of December, that is Christmas, we are having a marathon, 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers. I request you all, it will be a wonderful event in the morning, 6 a.m. From Riverfront, we'll be starting up. So I request you all members to join in this grand marathon event that will be happening along with your family, friends, and your kids as well. So that will be a great event. Most of all, I thank you, Purushottam Bhai, for being present here, Central Council member. I know you all are eager to hear J.K. Mittal sir next. So quickly we'll be having a change of dais and we'll be starting with the section. Thank you all.